So last night was super freaky. Out of 5 days, 5 nights of the wind blowing, actually 5 days, the wind blowing between 5 mile an hour and 20 mile an hour. Last night was complete dead silent. Not a leaf moved all night. So I figured we'd since we've only got 2 days left before extraction, we are going to fix one of our 2 cups of coffee that we have left and try to get warmed up a little bit. So we're heating our water up now. I could sit there and watch it all day. I might have to, considering how much wood I done split on day 1. But yeah. And the tarp is less than 3 feet, about 3 feet. Not even remotely warm. And you can actually make this a closed fire pit. I've got another rock here that actually sets right into the front of it. Oh, let me get my handles hot. Look. And that would actually make it closed. The only thing about something this small is what people don't like is the fact that you got to keep messing with it. I mean, the pieces you're putting in here are really little. I mean, they're not very big. You actually split tree branches. And that's what you use for firewood. But we're down to about 50% battery on the phone. I want to fire one of the packs up here in a little bit. The other ones have been bringing it up about 40%, so far so good on the battery life. Would love to get extra footage done, but still tinkering around with that idea. So there you go. One campfire with coffee. Well, almost. As soon as the water gets hot. So, good morning. Y'all stay frosty. And if you got one, smoke it. And if you don't knock the ones that do. Y'all have a good one. 'Cause I sure as hell am.